Hi, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to show you how I used items from my recent container store haul, which I'll link below, in my home to help me with organizational issues that I was having. So stay tuned.
Here's how I've used the twisting cord corraler. It works pretty well, it goes on easily, but it's kind of short, so I may try something else at some point. Here's a look at my entertaining closet, and I'm showing you the organizer, the alpha organizer that I have on the door. I've actually shown this before in my closet declutter video I posted earlier in the spring. But what I did was I bought a couple more of these small containers that go on the doors because I needed to have a little more space for napkin rings as well as some individual salt and pepper shakers that I have. So I'll show you a close-up on that in a minute. Here's a close-up on the bin I just referenced, and I'm showing you how easily it's able to go back onto the door by sliding it into the slots. And then a look at the connection there. This is the power strip box I originally got to go under my daughter's desk in our family room, but I decided to use it in our bonus room instead because the power strip was too long. So here I'm showing you how the cords from the Xbox fan and the controllers get fed into the power strip box. Here's where we store the controllers and charger for the Xbox, and then here's the cord that goes across behind for the fan. The wires still show along the side of the bookcase, but the power strip and the plugs are not as noticeable when they're in this box. Additionally, it doesn't interfere with the Roomba that I just got, and I have a review of that. And now I'm showing you the inside of the box. This was a shorter box. It has this shorter power strip, but they do have a longer box that you can use a longer power strip with. And then it gets covered like this. So this is also in our bonus room. This is our couch that we have, and we have power strips and cords that we have run underneath to go to lamps as well as to provide power when we sit on the couch and use laptops or iPads or our phones. And I think I mentioned this in the haul video. I got this idea from the Organized Soprano, and I wanted to have a way to corral all the cords so that when the Roomba goes under the sofa, it does not catch on all of these cords. And here I'm showing you some homemade cord Wranglers. I've made them out of old toilet paper tubes that I've covered in contact paper. And that's my thrifty method of corralling cords. And this has worked really well because the power strip gets fed through this handle area, and then the only thing that is out of the basket is the main cord that goes over to the wall. And we have two cords that run under the couch. So then it just slides back in when we don't need to use it anymore. And I'm trying to show you a look at how the cord on this end feeds into the basket as well.
Thanks for watching. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to solve some organizational issues in your home. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have similar situations that you need help with or solving, or if there's some other organizational issues you'd like me to address. If you're new to my channel, I post videos at least every Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes more frequently than that. So I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.